English Mindline Podcast.
Have you ever tried reading out loud, and halfway through you just stopped because you lost your place, stumbled on a word, or felt your voice getting tired? If that's you, then today is going to change the way you think about reading in English. I'm Roman, and before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss these important tips to sharpen your English. Now, reading fluency isn't just about pronouncing the words correctly, it's about flow, speed, and confidence. And the secret? Practicing in short, powerful bursts like 2 minutes at a time without stopping.
That's right, Roman. Many learners think they need to spend hours reading every day to improve. But in reality, just a focused 2-minute read aloud can have a huge impact if you do it the right way. When you read without stopping, you train your brain to keep going even when you face a difficult word. You also improve your breath control, your ability to follow sentence rhythm, and your confidence in speaking English naturally. But it's not just read anything. The right approach matters. So today we'll give you 5 professional tips to get the most out of your 2-minute reading practice.
Tip 1. Choose the right passage. Don't start with something too hard or too easy. If it's too difficult, you'll get frustrated. If it's too simple, you won't grow. Pick a short section maybe from a book, news article, or even a podcast transcript with a mix of familiar and slightly challenging words.
Tip 2. Warm up your voice. Just like athletes stretch before a race, you need to prepare your voice. Take 30 seconds to say simple tongue twisters or read 1 or 2 lines slowly before your 2-minute sprint. This helps you avoid mumbling or stumbling. Tip 3. Focus on speed and clarity. Many learners either read very fast but unclear or very clear but too slow. Your goal is to balance both. Imagine you're reading to someone who's listening carefully and trying to understand every word.
Tip 4. Don't stop for mistakes. This is the golden rule. If you say a word wrong, keep going. The purpose is to train your flow. You can always go back after the 2 minutes and review tricky words. Tip 5. Repeat the same passage. Don't just read something once and move on. Read the same 2-minute passage 3 times in a row. You'll notice your speed, rhythm, and confidence improving with each round.
All right, now that you have your tips, let's do a live 2-minute practice together. I'll read the passage first, and then Roman will take a turn. If you're listening, you can read along with us or pause after each of us and try it on your own.
The city streets were alive with the sound of footsteps. People moved quickly, chasing buses, hurrying to work, or simply trying to escape the cold wind. In the middle of the crowd, a young boy stood still, staring at a shop window. Inside, a small brown puppy wagged its tail, pressing its nose against the glass. The boy smiled, forgetting for a moment the rush of the city around him.
Beautiful. Now, if you were reading along, think about how steady your pace was. Did you pause too much? Did you rush through certain parts? Remember, in this exercise, smoothness matters more than perfection. Let's try it one more time, a little faster this time, but still keeping clarity.
The city streets were alive with the sound of footsteps. People moved quickly, chasing buses, hurrying to work, or simply trying to escape the cold wind. In the middle of the crowd, a young boy stood still, staring at a shop window. Inside, a small brown puppy wagged its tail, pressing its nose against the glass. The boy smiled, forgetting for a moment the rush of the city around him.
If you do this daily, 2 minutes, no stopping, you'll notice within a week that you can read longer without feeling out of breath or losing your place. And that's the magic of this small but powerful habit.
So here's your challenge. Pick your own short passage today and practice reading it for 2 minutes, straight 3 times in a row. Write down how many lines or words you read the first time and see if you can beat it by the 3rd round. It's fun, and it's how you build reading fluency without spending hours. That's it for today's session. Keep practicing, keep pushing your limits, and watch your fluency grow. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can keep improving with me every week.